प्रतीक वो जो दिल में वो आता है वो बोल लेते हैं. Tejasvi's been a difficult one for me. वो बहुत strong character है. No, I think they like each other. You know, I think they like each other. Yeah, so cute. Straightforward.
So Deepa, welcome to FIFA Foods. And first of all, I would like to know कैसा चल रहा है राजीव का गेम आपको कैसा लगा? Because he is the best funny entertainment part over there. So what is your reaction?
I'm बहुत खुश है. He's doing amazingly. He's making us so proud. But the main thing is he's so funny. Like he makes us laugh all day. So the true colors are coming out. His true self is coming out, and it's amazing to watch. हम बहुत खुश हैं. We're so happy that the Indian public are loving him and everyone's loving him. वो बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा है. You know, he's maintaining his relationships, but he's also playing the game properly. बहुत खुश है हम लोग. मैं और मेरी मम्मी और सब whole family बहुत खुश है.
Okay. Deepa, हमने देखा Shamita Shetty once told this thing that he is very possessive about us. यानी कि अपने relationship को लेकर, brother sister bond को लेकर. So do you think कि कल के दिन episode में जो बातचीत हुई, for an example अगर बात करें तो नेहा को उसने बहुत सारी चीजें बोली थी जाके. Do you think is it that jealousy कि वो शमिता के ज्यादा close है and कहीं ना कहीं मैं शमिता के close होते हुए भी close नहीं हूँ?
No, I don't think it's that. वो possessive है because obviously वो पुराना रिश्ता है or they have their relationship from outside and obviously he is going to be possessive over her, but I don't think it's jealousy and who she's getting closer to and who she's not. I think वो नेहा के साथ उसका relationship की बात कर रहे थे और there's nothing wrong with that, but मुझको नहीं लगता jealousy है ये सब. He's not like that. वो protective है but jealous नहीं कह सकते हम. नहीं, वो jealous नहीं है.
Okay. Deepa, what is your reaction on this weekend ka war episode when Salman Khan bashed Pratik Sehajpal because he was doing this nasty comments on the Rajiv and doing everything like, you know, to instigate him or to demean him?
Yeah. You know, we were actually very happy that Salman Khan sir addressed it. उसने ठीक किया because it was getting a bit too it was getting a bit too much and I think Raju was trying to handle it, but I think Salman Khan sir dealt with it well by telling him that look, if you don't like something, just address it and tell them that you don't like it and they will stop. And I think that's really helped him since then. So yeah, I think it was a good thing that Salman Khan sir did that.
Okay, and what is your reaction on Pratik? Because I really wanted to know how a sister feels when his brother is humiliated and, you know, all these things.
Well, Pratik, वो जो दिल में वो आता है वो बोल लेते हैं, right? I wouldn't use the word humiliated. He does take it far sometimes, I agree, yeah, but I think that's his personality. He doesn't just do it to Rajiv, he does it to everyone. He says how he feels. दुख लगता है थोड़ा सा, I'm not gonna lie, but he's handling it, you know. They're all in that house all the time, all together, you know, so there is going to be that kind of relationships with people. And वो personality है Pratik का. Or I think, you know, Raju's just dealing with it. It is hurtful sometimes to hear someone belittling him like that. But I think Raju's dealing with it really well. So emotions aside, Raju's dealing with it really well.
Okay. So what is your reaction for Umar and what is your viewpoint for Umar? Because he's the only one who is supporting Rajiv very much, as well as he's, you know, he's taking stand for Rajiv. So what is your reaction for that?
You know, we like Umar so much. He seems like a very, very nice guy. And we're so grateful to him for being Raju's support and sticking up for him. It's nice to see that Raju has someone like that in the house, and Shamita Didi to hai, but someone else that he has in the house, that he has that bonding connection with, and that has his back sort of thing. So we're really grateful to him, and we're really happy that they've struck that rapport and bond together, and Rajiv can kind of, you know, lean on him as a shoulder and, you know, utilize that friendship accordingly.
Okay. And do you think when Tejasvi cried and she told Salman Khan that I have this sympathy for him and I literally bashed him, Pratik, you know, in the special case, that Pratik and Rajiv case. What was your reaction? Is Tejasvi was correct at the time, or she was just faking it?
Tejasvi's been a difficult one for me. वो बहुत strong character है, and sometimes I question some of the stuff she says and does. But she took Raju's side on this instance, so you know, I think she was correct in what she did. But I think Raju and her have their kind of like, you know, indifferences. But on this instance, I think she did the right thing. She dealt with it accordingly. So I don't think she was faking it. I don't think she was trying to win anyone over. I think she genuinely felt that it was the wrong thing by Pratik and she needed to address it. As a character, well, you know, she's quite headstrong and quite vocal when she wants to say something. She doesn't hold back. And her and Raju have had so many clashes. But in this instance, she dealt with it the right way, and I don't think she was faking it.
Okay, and what is your viewpoint on Tejran, the amazing cracking chemistry between Karan and Tejasvi? Do you find it real, or you find it like just for the sake of the game?
No, I think they like each other. You know, I think they like each other. You know, I think they've struck some. There is something definitely between them. You can tell. You know, that kind of chemistry is hard to fake, I think. But they are actors. But I think it's real. You can kind of tell the way they're talking to each other, the way they're kind of always together, you know, the conversations they're having, there's definitely something going on. I wouldn't say it's fake, but who knows?
Okay. And what is your viewpoint on Nishant? Because Nishant is, by God's grace, he's good with Rajiv and they are having this good time, like Saas Bahu kind of a relationship.
Yeah.
So what is your reaction on that?
I love it. I think it's so funny. I think everyone thinks
He's so
it's really funny.
Let me tell you, he's
so funny. And I think they're both quite similar. Their kind of banter and their jokes, both, you know, they're on the same lines. And I think they're going to be friends when they leave here too, you know, the house. I think I love it. They've both got that, you know, cheekiness, both of them, and it's showing through. And I think they're going to maintain that friendship, and I love it. I think everyone watching them is just, you know, having a laugh. I'm getting so many messages with these, you know, the clips of those two and their Saas Bahu thing, and everyone's like, you know, lol, this is so funny. So I think that's, you know, bringing the show a bit more entertainment, a bit more life, a bit more funniness instead of all this drama and shouting all the time.
Okay. एक कोई contestant जिससे कि राजीव को थोड़ा सा बच के रहना चाहिए, who gonna backstab him or betray, you can say.
So we've seen that Vishal is kind of you know, being like that towards a lot of people. So but there's no one in particular I would say. Raju, very savvy. He kind of knows who he should and shouldn't be playing with. But we've seen with Shamita Didi and Vishal, there's been that, you know, that relationship already where there's been things said behind, etc. So he's the only one I'd say watch out a little bit for. But otherwise, no one else.
Do you think Vishal is feeling insecure just because of Shamita and Rajiv bond?
I think so, because obviously, like they were very tight when before Rajiv came in, and then Rajiv came in and told the truth, and that kind of shook Shamita Didi a little bit, and she was like, "Oh no, like you know what I mean?" So I think he's slightly insecure, yeah, but he's still making the same mistakes. So you would think once bitten, twice shy, but no, he's still doing that little thing. But I think, yeah, I don't know if jealous is the right word, but I think and insecure, in fact, is the right word. I think it's rocked his boat slightly, and he's kind of a little bit like, okay, there's a new dynamic in the situation, and he is trying to deal with it accordingly.
Do you think Shamita is trying to control Rajiv as well, as she's not even taking stand for Rajiv? When Salman sir told about that he's being bullied by none other than Pratik Sejpal, she was not in the conversation. She didn't even take a word or, you know, take a stand against Rajiv. What is your reaction? Like, you know?
I think Shamita Didi is protecting him. I don't think she's you know, trying to control him. When it came to the weekend cover, when Salman Khan sir kind of addressed the whole Pratik situation and that whole Tejasvi thing came out, I think she was just a bit hurt that she wasn't fully aware of the whole situation. So that aside, I don't think she's trying to control him. I think she's looking out for him. I think she wants him to look good to everyone and on the outside, and she's just trying to protect him. So I don't think she's trying to control him. This has been aired quite a lot in many forums, many conversations I've had with people. But I don't think she's trying to control him. She's not that character. She's just trying to look out for him. And we saw yesterday she saved him. So she's just trying to look after him and help him through. Okay.
Okay. First of all, Neha.
Neha, so cute. Straightforward.
Pratik.
Doesn't understand his limits. It's not a word, it's a few words. Will it do?
Okay. Nishant.
Very comical.
Okay. Vishal.
So many words are coming to mind. No. Conniving to some extent.
Okay. Okay. Shamita.
Loving.
Tejaswi.
Sometimes over smart.
Okay. Jay.
Humble. Caring. I gave you 2 there.
Okay. Umar.
Loyal. I'll give you another one as well. Very sweet.
Okay. Last but not the least, Karan Kundra.
Clever. Very clever.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
That's
Deepa,
okay.
thank you so much for having us and joining us.
That's okay, no problem.
I really want you to give a message to Rajiv fans over the here, and to the Indians who is watching Bigg Boss and getting Rajiv.
So firstly, I'd like to thank everyone who supported him.
Please in Hindi.
Oh, in Hindi. Okay. God, this is going to be hard.
Yeah, this one is only in Hindi.
Okay. मैं बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि thank you so much सब लोग उसको प्यार देने का. I can't speak Hindi very well. और हम बहुत खुश है कि आप लोग उसको इतना प्यार देते हो और सपोर्ट कर रहे हो. हमको कितना मैसेजेस मिलता है आप लोग सबको from you guys, and we're so happy, and please keep support karna usko or just keep loving him. That's the best I could do.
Thank you so much for us this test. Thank you so much, Deepa. Lovely talking to you, and all the very best for Rajiv. Take care.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.